From its humble beginnings as the Artisan School, the newly renamed Environmental and Interior Design program at Chaminade University of Honolulu continues to strive toward higher standards of academic excellence. Our comprehensive Bachelor of Fine Arts degree equips aspiring professionals with creative, broad-based, technical, and interpersonal communication skills that are necessary to succeed in the 21st century interior design professional marketplace. Offering the only degree-granting interior design program in Hawaii, students benefit from a variety of industry-relevant courses, hands-on projects, and a diverse and talented faculty who empower students to design creative, functional, healthy and safe human environments. Our graduates are well prepared to collaborate with interior designers, architects, and related industry professionals and seek to meet or exceed the expectations of their clients. Our program has a tri-level structure, represented metaphorically by the structure of a building: foundation, framing, and roof. The foundation or 200-level curricula offers a variety of courses that teach basic principles of design. In the Fundamentals of Interior Design course, students are introduced to theory, practice, and application of interior designer skill sets. Students are exposed to industry vernacular and learn how to appreciate the art and science behind creative thinking. The Building Systems and Interior Materials course helps students understand how to design within the context of the building infrastructure. Students are introduced to all the subsystems that comprise a building, including structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, as well as other technical aspects, such as acoustics, lighting, and fire-rated assemblies. For their first small-scale commercial project, students developed design concepts for the East Oʻahu Teen Community Center. Sustainable building designed with sensitivity to the environment was an integral part of the project's mission. The deliverables included a set of construction drawings with site and landscaping plans, floor plans, building sections, interior elevations, window, door, and wall types, and much more. Other students in this course developed designs for the Sea of Serenity Wellness Center. The project parameters stressed learning principles of holistic and healthy living and incorporating those practices into the center. This past year, students designed the Wahiawā Community Center for Surfing the Nations, a locally based nonprofit organization. Their mission is to revitalize downtown Wahiawā and inspire a hope-filled future for generations to come. The project provides the only location in the town for local kids to meet and offers classes in art, music, and dance, as well as other activities and special events. Other foundational courses include drawing, art history, drafting, color, textiles, design principles, and introduction to AutoCAD. Our 300-level curricula represent the framing of our program. The Programming and Space Planning course teaches the process of designing an environment, beginning with program analysis and moving to the synthesis of information, resulting in a comprehensive space plan and support documentation. Through structured exercises and projects, students create environments which fulfill client-generated requirements with creative, innovative, and environmentally conscious design solutions. One of the projects for this course was the Wahiawā Urban Renewal project, another collaboration with Surfing the Nations, where students created SketchUp models and animations of a two-story office complex. The TOPA Community Counseling Consortium, a tenant improvement project, had students designing 4,500 square feet of public, private, and landscape office space, including a 24-hour helpline center. The Universal Design course focuses on the functionality, materiality, and designed aesthetic of the built environment and how design decisions affect the quality of life experience of the end users. This course engages students in how the built environment impacts our quality of life in both public and private spaces. In the final project for this course, the Maluhia Care Center, students worked in partnership with the American Society of Interior Designers Hawaii chapter to create designs that address the client needs for a wayfinding program and public space renovation. The design concepts employed universal and sustainable design principles, along with environmental psychology for this long-term care home environment. Students conceptualized the design and space planning of the public areas at Maluhia, proposing finishes and furnishings and incorporating their wayfinding strategies in the overall design concept. Additional courses at the 300 level include History of Furniture and Interior Design, 20th Century Architecture and Design, Presentation Methods, (3D) Modeling and Rendering, Advanced AutoCAD, Introduction to Lighting Design, Socio-Cultural Aspects of Design, 3D Sculpture, and Sustainability in Design. The metaphoric roof of our program is our 400 level curricula, or Capstone studio courses. The Senior Residential Studio course concentrates on the creation and presentation of personalized residential interior design projects. Various design scenarios are addressed to include remodeling or renovation of an existing structure and new construction. The culmination of this studio exhibits the student designer's ability to comprehensively express their design solutions at the various phases of the design process: programming, conceptual design, design development, construction, and contract documents, and finally, presentation of their design. One of the recent projects was the proposed renovation of the Montessori Preschool, Chaminade's on-campus preschool facility. Although not a traditional residential project, this service learning project provided students an opportunity to participate in a live project and provide the client with support materials for grant proposals to implement the renovation recommendations. The project's intent was to support and enhance the interior and exterior learning environments, protect the health, safety, and welfare of the students, and to assist in the engagement of students in the curriculum and the fun factor of attending preschool. The Senior Commercial Studio course concentrates on the creation and presentation of a variety of commercial interior design projects, showcasing students' individual creativity in larger, more complex public arenas. Recently, students also worked with Surfing the Nations to redesign and redeem a block of buildings located in the city of Wahiawā on the island of Oʻahu. The 40,000 square foot site previously housed bars, a brothel, and pornographic shops. The goal of this design project was to maintain the historic storefront architecture that dates back to the 1930s and to reestablish the original beauty and familial ambiance of Wahiawā. Design concepts included a coffee bar, a seafood restaurant, a fashion boutique, a shave ice shop, a doggy daycare facility, a co-officing space, and a surfboard repair shop. Additional 400 level courses include Business Principles and Practices for Interior Designers, Internship and Professional Practice, Kitchen and Bath Design, and Progressive Technologies, Intro to Revit. Our interior design program at Chaminade University teaches all aspects of the design process from concept to execution. The recent Revitalization Partnership project in Wahiawā provided the opportunity for students at each level of our program to design spaces appropriate to their skill level and fulfill the identified needs of the client. From imaginative, abstract, creative projects to practical residential and commercial design solutions, students developed the necessary tools to succeed in obtaining entry-level positions in professional practice. Working side by side with mentoring faculty and often with real clients on live projects, students begin to understand the pressures, demands, and necessary interpersonal skills required to succeed in this exciting, rewarding, and life-enhancing field of design. In addition to this unmatched learning experience, this academic opportunity happens to be situated in one of the most beautiful tropical locations on Earth, the state of Hawaii. We look forward to partnering with you in your academic and professional endeavors. Aloha.